Our project is in the final testing stages at the University Laboratory. Testing worst-case scenarios, preliminary results being presented to us by the UMass team are showing very positive results. By reducing temperature, controlling the amount of water, clean time and chemical, while maintaining strict sanitary results, we will experience a reduction in chemical usage and operating costs, while helping our employees and our environment.
We learned through TURI that the flame retardant chemicals used in pit foam could be hazardous in many ways to our students and our employees. We immediately felt that this needed to be addressed. Replacing our pits with non-flame retardant foam would prove to be a significant undertaking, both physically and financially. Our first concern was, could we afford to do it? Our greater concern was, however, could we not?
Back in 2011, when we started waste disposal reduction opportunities and worked our way to lean manufacturing, culminating into our grant with TURI and our partnership last summer to get packaging equipment that helped us increase production 200 to 300%, reduced make-ready waste, production waste, and post-production waste.
I'm here to represent Asbat Valley in our journey of making the next generation of auto collision technicians aware of toxic chemicals and their effect on the environment. We believe that we are in a constantly changing industry, and it is important to be educated on not only keeping ourselves safe, but keeping the environment safe. We also recognize that the use of proper personal protection is just as important as using proper spraying and cleaning equipment. In our shop, we use water-based paint. It is free of harmful toxins, as well as the spray guns we use provide adequate transfer efficiency. On the bodywork portion in our shop, we have vacuum systems to prevent any dust or powder being released into the atmosphere. We also believe that if everyone does their part in using safer and more efficient alternatives, it will be a step forward in making the world a much cleaner and healthier environment.
We accomplished something truly great this year, and I don't think that we could have got there without the strong partnership that we had. We've taken over 6,000 pounds of TCE vapor out of the working environment in the next year. And that's just an incredible amount of solvent not to deal with. So we're really happy about that.
One of the issues that we have is by providing a perfect growing environment and not using any herbicides, pesticides, or fungicides, algae tends to compete with the lettuce in terms of our growing system. We use a NFT hydroponic system, nutrient film technique, so the gutters need to be basically sterilized at the end of every single growing session, which is approximately 26 days. With the help of UMass, they came in and we realized that by not using harmful detergents or chemicals, we were able to figure out what the right temperature and pressure settings on an advanced pressure washing was able to do, so that we were able to keep algae out of our gutters and make sure that we had healthy, quality, good lettuce that we could ship on a daily basis.
I've been working for food safety for over 10 years. I've worked at USDA, working with companies around the nation. This is very unique, but also see a great opportunity, great importance to see an overlap between food safety as well as toxicity reduction. So it is unique, but also makes sense in a way that it promotes the well-being of the general public, the environment, through sustainable agriculture, sustainable practices among the food industry.